Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S5 versus S3. We'll dive into their performance capabilities, looking at key specifications like engine power and acceleration. This comparison will help you understand which Audi S model might be the better fit for your driving style and preferences. Let's get started by exploring their core differences. Under the hood, the Audi S5 boasts a powerful 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering 362 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. The S3, while smaller, is no slouch, with its 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 328 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Surprisingly, the S3 edges out the S5 in a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint, clocking in at 4.2 seconds versus the S5's 4.3 seconds. Beyond raw power, driving dynamics are crucial. Both the S5 and S3 come standard with Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive, ensuring excellent grip and stability. The S3, being more compact, offers a nimble and agile feel, making it incredibly responsive in corners. The S5, on the other hand, provides a more composed and refined ride, leaning towards a grand touring experience with its larger size and luxurious cabin. Your preference for agility versus comfort will guide your choice. So, which Audi S model wins the drag race in your heart? The S3 is a fantastic choice if you prioritize a compact, agile, and slightly quicker car for spirited driving. However, if you seek more outright power, a larger, more luxurious interior, and a refined grand touring experience, the S5 is the clear winner. Both offer exhilarating performance but cater to different tastes. Don't forget to check the description for links to these cars and other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.